Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the season and episode of a particular series that you are interested in on the Netflix website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, you should select the series that you are interested in and then tap on this episodes info button in the right side of this box, and then here you can check out the season, which is in the right side at the top. Here you can see that within season 1 you have 10 episodes, and here you can check out the plot, a brief description, their title, and here you can find the duration of each episode. If you want to change the season, just tap on this button, and here you can find the available seasons that you can choose from. So just tap on it and then you will be able to check out the episodes it contains. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.